everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Alexandria and today we're working on some Valentine looks. I'm gonna give you a couple of looks for Valentine's Day. So this is the first video I'm gonna go ahead and drop for you guys here on YouTube. But before we get started of what's the plans for Valentine's Day, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Alexandria. I am a beauty creator here on YouTube. I also go by Alex. I have a fashion blog and a wrestling podcast. Right now, I don't have anything new between those two things, but if you're interested of checking those stuff, go ahead and check the links below. Okay, so I really wanted to get started and talk about the video because I never have one successful video. Not it's like successful, but meaning like there's always something happening in the background. For me, it's either my kid is bothering and then my anxiety levels gets a little high while I'm doing the video, and I feel like I start going all over the place while I'm recording because they're asking me something and they're making me do something while I'm recording. I'm like, my mind just starts going all over the place, and then I wear the wrong shirt while I'm recording. So I usually don't really get dressed up for these videos. I just grab a sweater and then I fold them and wear them. Then like I wear them when I actually go outside. I've been, mostly at home, but yeah, the most I give you guys, I wear a sweater. And I love this sweater. I picked it up from Boohoo. I love the knit material on it. It's so comfortable. But yeah, so I tend to just grab a t-shirt and just record the video, and then I get dressed towards the end to show you guys the final product. So I went ahead and I forgot that I'm not supposed to wear any white t-shirts when I'm recording. I forgot. So because the white just doesn't bounce very nicely off the camera, and it kind of takes all the what you're trying to do. It's very hard to explain why. It just does not work for me when I wear a white shirt when I'm recording. It just creates too much, the lighting doesn't, everything just doesn't work right, and it doesn't show the colors. So it is what it is. A mistake that I definitely have to learn not to wear a white shirt while I'm recording. Just wear a different color shirt. I tend to like to wear I call it my bum hoodie at home. I have a few bum hoodies, but then I'm like, you guys are always gonna see me with my bum hoodie. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna actually just put on a t-shirt, so I don't look like 100% of a bum. So yeah, so I decided to just go ahead and put on for intros and ending of the video some sweaters, because they're easier to fold and put them away, and I could go ahead and wear them next time than go ahead and using other clothes. Sometimes I try my best to get dressed, but let's be honest, it's I'm recording for you guys, and I think it's more important to show you guys the looks. Anyways, let's get into the what we doing. So I wanted to start recording videos for Valentine's Day. So by the time this video goes up, we're gonna have maybe a few weeks before Valentine's has, and a few more weeks before Valentine's comes. So I wanted to create a very good, a more subtle for the more neutral girls who love a very simple eye, very simple colors, and very neutral colors, and nothing too bright, because they want to really focus on more of a natural tone or earthy tone of eyeshadows. So that's what I did, and I'm going to show you the colors that I use. These are the colors that I use in this palette. Very earthy and neutral tones for people who love neutral colors. So I thought it would be perfect to work on our first video for Valentine's Day of more of our earthy tones, natural colors for those who don't love bright colors. So that's what I wanted to focus on this video. So this video, I'm not really focusing on my foundation. I'm testing out, like I told you, I bought 2 new foundations, and I'm trying the Milani's cream one, and so far I could tell you I love that that cream base. I love it, and mind you, I love the Milani's, their products, so it was first time trying it, and I love it. So far I am enjoying it. It's a cream foundation, and it settles into a powder finish. I set it on top with more powder on it because I just have oily skin, so I have to prevent those any issues of oils just seeping through my foundation or whatever base that I'm using. So yeah, so we're just focusing on the eye look in this tutorial. I definitely want the other video that I will come before for Valentine's Day. I will focus on more of a glowy and not having to, because not everybody loves to do eyeshadows, and we're more of just creating more of a glow into our skin. So I do want to focus on that more, on glowy skin, and then anything else. So I'm trying to figure out what the look is going to be about, but I'm going to stop rumbling around because I really don't talk to you guys when I show you guys the tutorials. I kind of like say, here you go, look at the video. But I want to say thank you. I hope you guys enjoy the very first video for Valentine's Day. Very simple, very for my simple girls that don't like a lot of colors but love their neutrals. This is for you guys, and anybody else who are playing with makeup and just want to create a neutral look, but this is for you guys. So I want to say thank you so much for watching my video. If you like what you see today, go ahead and like and comment and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.